That's the laundry in the background. Hopefully it's not too loud. I've always seen this guy, H3h3, in the recommended video section when I log on to YouTube. Seen him for years. Finally clicked on one of his videos, his Instagram versus reality video, because the thumbnail looked funny. And he's actually a funny guy. I don't really watch mainstream YouTube channels, but Instagram versus reality was a good video. So a couple of weeks ago I uploaded a Cheeto Sandwich unboxing video, and then like a week later I saw his Cheeto Sandwich video in the recommended feed. So check this video out, Instagram versus reality. It's actually really good. And then I saw this. Cheeto Sandwich is a disgusting mess. I disagree. I thought the sandwich was okay. I didn't think it was anything great, but when I looked at his, I'm like, that looks good. Look at all that sauce. Mine didn't have that much sauce on it. So he didn't like it. He actually spits it out. Uncool. He even brings some to his staff. Hey, sir, I would like to be part of your staff so you could feed me Cheeto sandwiches. So I gave it another shot here. Let's see. Let's unbox it. Hopefully it looks as good as that. As messy as that. Come on. Oh, it's a little leaking today. It's leaking sauce today a little bit. It looks more marinated this time around. Let's see the other one. Oh, there you go. It's a little saucier this time. Nice. Let's try it. Yeah, his was like super messy. I wish mine was as messy as that. Maybe the other one will be. That looks fantastic. Yes, look at that. That's awesome. I'm gonna have to take a picture of this. That looks good. Let's try it now. Let me take some pictures of this first. Okay, now that's delicious. The Cheeto sauce is the key. They put a bunch of Cheeto sauce in it. That's really good. You know what I noticed? There's no Cheetos Man box this time. I really like the Cheetos Man box. That's good. I think this is my favorite snack now. This one has a lot more sauce than this one. Let's try this. Let me put the camera down real fast. There you go. They need to sell Cheeto sauce. That's good. I'll buy it again tomorrow.